Welcome to our tutorial on how to see cost basis on Thinkorswim. Understanding your cost basis is essential for managing your investments and calculating potential gains or losses. In this video, we will guide you through the process step by step. First, launch the Thinkorswim platform and log into your account. Once you are in, navigate to the Monitor tab located at the top of the screen. Here, you will find a list of your current orders and account balances. To view the cost basis for a specific stock or option, look for the column labeled Price. This column will show you the original purchase price for each of your holdings. If you do not see this column, you may need to customize your layout by right-clicking on the column headings and selecting Customize. Next, if you wish to analyze your entire portfolio's cost basis, you can click on Account Statement on the left sidebar. This section provides a comprehensive overview of all transactions, including additional details like the date of purchase, the amount of shares, and any dividends received. By reviewing this information, you can easily calculate your overall investment performance. Finally, if you want a more detailed analysis of individual trades, you can use the Activity and Positions tab. Here, you can filter transactions by specific dates or types, which allows for better tracking of your cost basis over time. Understanding this information will help you make more informed decisions about your trading strategies in the future. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to see cost basis on Thinkorswim. Stay tuned for more trading tips and tricks.